So, with the recent success of the realistic horror game series and how much you guys are enjoying it, I decided to put together a kit for you guys to make your own horror games. It's completely free to use, and I hope you guys are able to create something cool with it. Anyways, let's get on with the video. Alright, so the first thing you guys are going to be needing to do is to download the kit linked in the description. It's completely free, and it has everything that you need to get started making your own horror game. So, once you have that downloaded, you're going to go to Toolbox, My Models, and click on the kit. You're going to click OK, and then you guys can just drag this wherever you want. So when you insert it, you're going to see a bunch of different models. You don't really know what any of them are. Let me explain them. So in Workspace and Explorer, you'll see the realistic horror game kit, and you'll see all these different folders. It's just like the shadow boxing kit. All these folders correlate to where you're going to put these items. So in the Workspace folder, you guys can take all of these different things, put them inside a Workspace, then delete the folder. Starter GUI, you guys can take this stuff, delete the folder, paste it into Starter GUI. If you see that little dot pop up, don't worry, that's meant to be there. And once all of that is done, you can just go ahead and delete the kit. The next thing you're going to do, you are going to go to the starter player service right here, and you're going to click camera mode, lock first person. So that basically means that the player will be stuck in first person because we don't want them to be in third person, any of that stuff. So if we click play, you can see that now you're in first person. You have the camera, the exact camera movement system that I have in my horror game. And on top of that, these doors work the exact same as the ones in my horror game. So it's already pre-made for you guys. You guys can duplicate these doors as many times as you want. You have a door that can be opened. You have a locked door, which makes a sound that you guys can't hear. You have a drawer that you can open and close, and you have just a normal table. I included both of these because in case you guys want to keep the same style like I did, you guys will have both these tables. And then all of these different models. Some of these models I actually use in the game I'm making. Some of them I just found in the toolbox, and I thought it would be cool to include them in the kit for you guys. So we have vending machines. These make humming sounds. You have a painting, the couch I was using in the room, the TV, bed, all that stuff. You have these like chairs, these like rusty chairs that I found, some garbage, water bottle. So just like very basic stuff that you guys can include in your game if you want to. The main thing about this kit though is the interactable system, meaning like the interacting with doors, and I'll show you guys. You guys can duplicate. Let me actually move this door over here. So if we go up to these, you can see that we can highlight over each of them. Open, 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 close, close. All of them work the same. You guys can have them in whatever direction you want. You could face them this way, you can face them this way, and they will all work exactly the same. So it's very easy to set up. You know, I tried to make it as simple as possible so you guys don't have to worry about coding or anything. And just like I saw a couple comments saying like the mouse cursor, how do you get it to work? Well, there you go. You now have a mouse cursor that changes when you can interact with something. The only things that are interactable though, like I said, are the doors, the lock door, and the drawer. Feel free to make whatever game you want with this kit. You don't have to credit me or anything. Just I want to see something cool being made with my kit. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please, if you have any questions regarding the kits, join the Discord server linked in the description. I'll try to answer any questions that you guys have. If you guys have any games that you make, I just hit the mic. If you guys have any games that you make with this kit, please link them in the Discord. If you guys enjoy, please like, subscribe on your way out, chase your dreams, and yep, that's pretty much it for today's video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.